you. As you know, it's me Rifa Hidatul Maulidia, and I wanna interview my beloved sister from Senior Major Education. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Novia Zahra. And I of course for English education.
My name is Silya Faratayan. I'm from English Education Department, and now I'm in 4th semester in class 4B.
My name is Raisa Sultan. I'm from 6th semester. Are you ready for the interview?
Of course, I'm ready.
Number 1. How was your experience while studying in college?
My experience in college is really beautiful. I really enjoy every moment in college life, in university life, and I also happy with my friends in class, especially. And after the class, we always going to canteen and doing something funny, anything that we really like.
Okay, so fun, yeah.
Not too surprising for me because the teaching method and the curriculum is same as with my senior high school. But here I almost be independent student because as we know this is student university, not student at the school.
So far, I enjoy it. I'm really excited to finish it.
For the second question, what is the most noticeable difference between education in high school and college?
I think it's the time since in school we study like almost the whole day, but in college we still have some time to take rest and study a bit.
Okay, maybe for the prepared material, when we was in the high school, we just only hear the direction from our teacher. But in the lecture, maybe at our campus, we prepare well our material and we present it in front of our friends in the class.
For me, in the senior high school, what I feel is we have a specific schedule in the senior high school. It's like when we enter in the morning and we finish in the afternoon. But in the college, we don't have any specific schedule. I mean, like when we enter or when we start our class in the morning, we can also start our class again in the evening when it's close to Maghrib. So it is a little bit different with senior high school, and it really feels like, oh, I have to trying to adapt with this new situation at that moment. So that's the thing that really I notice about senior high school and in this university life.
Okay. The third question, in your opinion, is the current education system in university effective?
Current system education, I think it's effective because now education system it's like using the teacher center or even the student center, which means like the teacher not also giving the student a material, but the student also searching and learning the material by their own self. So it makes the student feeling more understandable, and if they didn't understand about the material, they also can ask to their lecturer.
Not effective because as you know in Bandung have the direction that 75% we can offline and 25% we can doing online. So because many teachers that only give the material and give assignment without explain material, that make me confused to know about the material or the lesson that give us as a student in the class.
Okay, next. during February and March, the university held online class because due to tight time between Ramadan.
Yes.
In your opinion, what are the advantages of the online class system?
I think that made me bored and so sleepy because we only watch the screen, and of course when you boring and make me not clear the explain both of the lecturer or the student that explain the material at that time.
First, because we can hear everywhere, and it's really saving time and saving money.
Oh yeah.
If us, if we can make a good use of it, I think it will have better impact to us. My opinion, because when we doing online class, it means like we can do anything and everywhere, yeah. We can do it in our bedroom or we can do it in our living room. So it makes me like more easy because I can do any other activity beside listening to the class material at that day, but I also can doing other activity like sweeping or maybe cleaning my room and etc. That's what I think.
Have more benefit.
Yeah, I think, but there's also disadvantage too. For me, it's like feels a little bit hard in my eyes because since morning until evening, I see the display on the laptop because every class held in online. So that makes my eyes a little bit hard. That's the disadvantage, I think. That's right.
Do you feel that online class affect your understanding of the material?
It's not in every time, but sometimes, especially in the specific material that I hard to understand about when we're doing online class, it makes me feel like confused about the material because the lecturer maybe they can explain clearly because they can give us the example like face by face like that. So it makes the student like confused about this material, and they must ask again when we doing the offline class with that lecturer.
Okay, good. Thank you for your answer.
Okay. Although not always, I think it also depends on the lecturer itself, and also on the subject. Some subject need to it's better for us to have answers, especially for
Yes, of course, because we not meet face to face, only with face with the screen, such as watching the video in the YouTube. So there isn't direct interaction among us, being as a student, or maybe around among the students and the teacher. Not such as in the class, we can raise our hand, we can ask the question to our friends around me. But in the online class, we just see the screen that make me bored and so sleepy. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for spending your time for me. Thank you for your time and your answer. Okay, bye. See you. Bye bye.